Hey, Jake here from the Wildlife. My son Ryder and I are building another chicken tractor. We have enough chicks and ducks that we're raising this year that you kind of need two chicken tractors, which are just mobile chicken pen things that you drag around your yard, basically. If you haven't seen our last video on the chicken tractor, here's the chicken tractor that we built. We even put our YouTube channel, The Wildlife, on it. That's all free material, all recycled. So that's what we're building today. We're going to try to build another out of wood. This really depends on the resources that I have available to me. And in this case, it's a bunch of wood crates and a bunch of 2x4 pallets and stuff. I have no idea how we're building it. We're just going to start and go into it, which is how a lot of these projects go. So this is what we're building the chicken tractors for. We've got like 35 chicks, baby chickens. And then we have like 9 or 10 different varieties of ducks. I got this crate. I got this the other day at a local farm store, but it's almost all 2x4s. As that sets, that could be the base of a big chicken tractor. They're in here. Split between that one and that one.
Those ones separate. Reed, what are you doing?
What are you doing, Reed?
Can you do a somersault? Kick your legs over. Come here and I'll help you.
Okay, it's the next morning, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Chicken tractor number 1. I had to add some chicken wire around some of the bigger fencing on here because they were walking right out of here. These all look good. Everybody in here is looking all right. They got a water barrel too. And
A June beetle in there.
oh yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see if they like it. Oh yeah, it's gone. So we still feed these guys a chick starter feed, but we're introducing them to food scraps here lately. So they've been introduced over the last week or so to food scraps, mainly canned goods, like old expired canned goods. This whole bucket's full of old canned goods from a friend. They were gonna throw them out, so they bring them to us usually. Oh, we got chickens out.
Oh no!
They got out somehow. We're gonna have to find where the hole is. Get him, Ryder. Get a hold of him.
Yeah.
How are they getting out?
Oh.
That's convenient because I can open that lid. That's nice. I actually designed it like that so that Cora and us and everybody can hop over this and get in with those, because a lot of these are the ones we're going to be keeping for egg layers and we want those to be more tame to us, and Cora wants to be able to get in there with them and handle them. So yeah, I can throw food scrap down and just pull them onto their new spot every day. Well, both of these are draggable, and I'll move them around my orchard. These are all fruit trees mainly, some maples, but like a lot of fruit trees. I can move them around my orchard and my gardens and help control bugs and fertilize for me. Fertilize the root zones of all these fruit trees while raising food for our family at the same time.